Year 6, Numeracy Lessons. Okay then, welcome back Year 6, Lesson 29. It's a past paper question, okay, again. And we're just doing the first part, alright? We're going to focus on the second part again. So, the question is asking you to work out a percentage of an amount. Work out 5% of £120. Now remember, always think in terms of 10%. Even if the question is not asking you 10%, 9 times out of 10, the answer will be much easier to work out if you first worked out 10%. Okay, so the question is asking you to work out 5% of £120. Now, whatever the amount is in the question, you've got to think that's 100% because that's all of it. Okay, so I'm going to put that down here. And you can see I've already drawn my table. These are really, really effective. So if you don't use tables for like percentages of amounts, I would start using them. And you can see on the left-hand side is all my percentages, and on the right is how much something would cost. That pound might be grams if we were doing, baking cakes or something like that. It all depends. So 100% is £120. Now, I said always think in terms of 10%. So I'm going to work out 10% first of all. And I need to say, how do I get from 100 down to 10 through division? I divide it by 10. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. What's 120 divided by 10? It's 12. Okay, but I'm asked to work out 5%, which would be here, wouldn't it? But you should think, well, how can I get from 10 to 5? It's quite easy, isn't it? I just halve it. So I must halve the other side as well. So 5% is £6. So you can see using my table helped, as did working out 10% first. So for your question, I've set you the price, or I've given you the price of an iPad is £420. So I'll be super duper kind and I'll leave that here. So I'm asking you to work out 10%, 25%, 40%, 65%, and then there's a little word problem at the end as well. So this is a challenging question, all right? So take your time and be confident because you've got the skills, you just need to apply them, all right? So pause the screen now, press play when you're ready to go through the answers. All right, great stuff. So 10% of my iPad amount. So again, I need to divide 100 by 10, don't I? So I need to divide £420 by 10. So that would be £42. Okay, so 25%, a couple of ways of doing it. You can either work out, you could say, what's a quarter of £420? But the way I did it, I worked out 5%. So I halved £42 to get 21. And then I said, well, how can I get 25%? So I could divide 100 by 4, like I said, or I could add on 2 lots of 10%, which is £84, and then 5%, which is £21. So now there, I've got 20%, and I've got 5%, haven't I? So if I add those together, I get £105. So I'll write these in. So 10% was £42. That's what you should have got for that one. 25% was £105. Okay, so 40%, the way I would have done it is I would have just multiplied 10 by 4. So I would have had to have multiplied 42 by 4. And if I do that in my head, 40 times 4 is 160. And 2 4s are 8. So I get £168 for 40%. I'll get rid of 100% because it's going to get in the way. So 65%, I could just add together 25% and 40%, which we said was £168. So I put that in. Can you see? So if I add, I'll get rid of that as well. So 65%, I could add these two amounts to get 65%, which means I need to add together those two amounts of money as well, and I get £173. Nope, I get £273. See how easy it is to make mistakes? So 65% is £273. And then the last one says the iPad is reduced by 30%. What is the new price? Okay, so how can I work out 30%? Well, again, see, I'm always going back, aren't I, to my 10%. So how do I get from 10 to 30? I multiply it by 3. which means I need to do that to this side as well. So 30% would be £126. That's not the answer though, is it? Because that's what it's reduced by. So my starting price was £420. It's been reduced by £126. So what is my new price? So I can't do nothing take away 6. So 10 take away 6 is 4. 11 take away 2 is 9. 3 take away 1 is 2. So my new price is £294. If you got all of those right, absolutely brilliant, well done. Okay, because like I said, a few of them were quite challenging. Hopefully you used the method that I use with always working out the 10% first. And I look forward to seeing you for lesson 30. Have a great day. Well done, superstar. You just got better. Nice one.